But I always say in hiking, you get what you pay for. So my sleeping pad of choice, this is the Thermarest Neo Air XTherm sleeping pad. In terms of what you need on the trail, depends where you are. So whether it's winter, whether it's summer, 3 season, 4 season, I use this all year round. For the simple reason is, it's under 0.5 kilograms. It's 465 grams, this is. It's so light. You always see that in hiking and hiking gear. The more you pay, the lighter it is, but the better quality it is. It has a 6.9 R value. If you don't know what R value is, it's the items or the product's material to resist heat. Resist as in R. So it's all about how warm it keeps you from the ground. So the higher the R value, the better insulation that you have for your body when you're sleeping. So you can get ones that are 1 R value, 2 R value. This is 6.9 R value, and it was tested down to minus 20 degrees and it still stays warm. So let me pump this up and I'll show you. So the Thermarest XTherm, made in Ireland, by the way. Happy days. So it is a self-inflating. It has a wing nut here that leaves the air out very, very, very fast. Out the way, Lexi. That leaves the air out very fast. As she stands right in front of the thing. Look what I'm trying to do. Get out of the way. Slanger. Go, sit over there. Ugh. You just twist it. There. And close it. The one thing I do like about it, it's a one-way valve. That means when you blow in, the air doesn't come back out. When you blow up your sleeping pads, you're putting a lot of condensation from your lungs into it. After a while, that condensation can build up into mold in the inside of your sleeping pad. So me personally, I never pump these up with my mouth. You can buy little electric pumps now, but the beauty about this, it comes with a pump sack. So it's a stuff sack and it's a pump sack. I'll show you how it works. It just slips over here. Make sure it's open. That'd be helpful. And that slips around here. Clips into place. It would help if it was a bit windy today, because you can leave the wind go into it, but you just need to build it up. Let's see how many it takes. When you complete, you can just take off the pump sack. No air will come out, hence the one-way air system. So I just keep twisted, and there she is. So the one thing I do love about this, well, it's made in Ireland. Gets a thumbs up from me. Even though it is a small, say 2.5 inches, you will never ever, even if your elbow was in it, you won't be touching the floor. So that's what I love about it. It's a very, very good and strong sleeping system. For temperature wise, every time I've been out in this in the winter anywhere, I've never felt cold one bit from the floor, and it's so important because that's where you lose most of your cold is through the floor. So the R value is very, very, very important. I love that there's no sound off this. I was on a few sleeping pads where if you're out camping with people and you hear them tossing and turning in the nighttime, by God, the noise that some sleeping pads make is a nightmare. This, no sound at all when you're tossing and turning. So yeah, so it has everything going for it. For the price of it, I can understand it's €150, but what you're getting for that is an ultra lightweight, under 0.5 kilograms at 460 grams sleeping pad. The R value is incredible in it. You will never be cold. It's not loud, and it's very, very, very comfortable. So I'll put some details on the screen because you can get these in both sizes, but the difference is the weight is different. It's just for the different length of what you need yourself. That's the Thermarest Neo Air Xtherm. It's 4 seasons, but you can use it all year round, and it's very, very comfortable. So thanks very much for watching. This is my go-to pad. This is Martin here from SoleTrail. So until next time, Stay safe out there.